This is the new Soundcore Boom 3i. It's a compact, rugged outdoor speaker built for big sound, big adventures, and even bigger parties. Whether you're poolside, beach-bound, or grilling in the backyard, this thing is made to handle all of it. It features IP68 waterproof and dustproof housing, it floats and stays upright in water, it's salt water resistant, has LED lights on both sides, BassUp 2.0 tech, up to 16 hours of playtime, and packs a serious punch with 50 watts of power. Today we're going to be putting this thing to the test to see how truly loud it can get and how tough it really is. When you get the Boom 3i, in the box you're going to find the speaker itself, a carrying strap with hooks, a USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. If you've seen my reviews of the Boom 2 Plus and the Select 4 Go last year, the Boom 3i sits nicely between those two speakers. It's not as massive as the Boom 2 Plus, but it's definitely bigger than the Select 4 Go and still just as portable. Build quality wise, the Boom 3i feels very durable. This is one of those things that you can just toss in your bag or set down just about anywhere and not have to worry about it. It's wrapped in a rugged plastic, has tactical rubberized buttons up top, and a strong loop that lets you wear it as a crossbody or over the shoulder. I tossed it in the pool a few times, let it float, splash, and soak, and it handled everything just fine. Honestly, if it hit the cement, I would be surprised if it didn't survive that too. This thing is built like a tank. One of the coolest parts is that when the Boom 3i gets submerged, it floats right back to the top, and it even clears out the water from the driver, so your music still sounds great. It's the small touches like this that make it perfect for outdoor use. Another cool feature of this speaker are the built-in LED lights on both sides. They pulse to the beat of your music and they really come alive at night. I thought this was one of the coolest features on the Boom 2 Plus, so I'm very glad that Soundcore brought it over to the 3i as well. It's not over the top, but it adds just the right amount of flair to make this a very cool speaker. Next, let's talk about sound quality, because the Boom 3i absolutely rocks in this department. It packs 50 watts of power with clean highs, punchy mids, and a bass that thumps but isn't overwhelming. However, if the default bass isn't enough for you, you can crank it up a notch with the BassUp 2.0 button. For something this small and portable, the sound quality is insane. Honestly, it's on par with what I was expecting out of Soundcore here. Their speakers hardly disappoint in performance. There's a real sense of warmth and fullness in the sound quality here. As with all Soundcore speakers, you can also tweak the sound to your liking using the equalizers in the Soundcore app. Here's a quick raw sample of how the Boom 3i sounds. And lastly, let's talk about battery life. With the Boom 3i, you'll get about 16 hours of runtime. Of course though, this depends on your environment, how loud you have the speaker, the lighting effects, and all of that. Battery life is solid all things considered, but if you're having an all-day party, I do recommend having a USB-C charger nearby, just in case. At the end of the day, if you are looking for a new portable speaker that's loud, durable, portable, and straight up fun, the Soundcore Boom 3i checks all the right boxes. It sounds fantastic, handles the elements like a champ, and it looks great while doing it. Whether you're heading to the pool, to the beach, you need a gaming speaker, or you just want something for your backyard get-togethers, the Boom 3i is so worth checking out. Well, that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss what's coming next. I've got plenty more smart home tech, hands-on videos, and plenty more on the way soon. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!